welcome back to your 30 days of yoga. Today we are going to go over Pigeon Pose, which is one of my personal favorite poses. It's great for not only opening the hips, stretching the front of the hip flexor and the outer hips, but also finding space all the way in the outside of the glute. So it's really a lovely one. We're going to start in our downward facing dog. Spread the hands wide, tuck the toes, send the hips all the way up and back. Heart reaches towards the thighs. And just lift your right foot off your mat and send your right knee all the way to your right elbow. You're high on the ball of the left foot and start to shimmy the right foot all the way around so your right shin is parallel with the front of your mat. Stay on the ball of the back foot and shimmy the left leg away so you've got more space for the left hip flexor to soften down. Now bring the knee down and untuck the toe. Invite this left hip to dial down towards your mat. If this is really strong and you feel like you've got no space here at all, grab a brick or a blanket or a cushion and just lift your bum up and place it simply underneath your right glute, your right bum. And from there, just lift the heart. I've got quite a lot of space, so I'm gonna just leave the brick where it is. Tuck your tailbone. So take this compression out of the lower back and just lift all the way through the spine. Come onto your fingertips, find space, roll the shoulders, soften the face down, and take a big, long inhale. Lift the heart. And as you exhale, maybe you're just gonna stay here and you roll the shoulders and you just find this space all the way in the right, and you just find this space in the right side of the glute, all the way on the outer hip. Or you send a big inhale and you exhale, gently start to peel the heart forward. Rather than just coming down all the way like this, send length through the spine and keep reaching forward to grow the spine. Now your heart starts to melt all the way down. So go where you can, stay long in your breath, and maybe the head comes all the way down to the mat. Maybe you're staying where you can stay long in the breath. So wherever you are, just breathe. And notice if you're holding on to the shoulders or maybe clenching the hands, the fists, can you just find a full release, forehead to the mat maybe? Take a long inhale and a long exhale. Good, 2 more like that. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. If you're down on your mat, on your inhale, gently start to peel all the way back up, lifting the heart, the chest, rolling the shoulders. Pad the hands into the mat. Tuck your back toe. Lift your knee, and we're going to simply step the right leg all the way back to a downward facing dog. And just take a few moments to pedal through the feet, finding length down the back of the legs. And now left leg is going to lift. Send your left knee to your left elbow, parallel your shin with the front of the mat, right foot to the back of the right wrist. Lower the left leg down, shimmy the right leg away, and then untuck the toe. Again, bring any props in here that you need to. So maybe placing the brick underneath your left bum, or a pillow, blanket, whatever you need. Find that height to just allow yourself to really feel supported by the ground. So whatever you need to bring the ground up to you. Roll the shoulders, tuck the tailbone, lift the heart. Take a big breath in, and a big breath out. Either staying here, maybe you did that on the other side, and maybe that was enough for you, or if you've got the space and you took it there the last time, gently reaching the heart forward. And just take this really slowly, just breathe into your space, allowing each inhale and exhale to just soften the body and invite a way in for you. Again, noticing if there's any tension through the shoulders, the hands, the fingertips. And maybe the forehead comes all the way down. And we'll take 3 breaths this side. Inhale. Exhale.
Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. If you're down, we're going to start to gently come all the way up, padding the hands into the mat, lifting the heart. Tuck the back toe, lift the back knee. Simply step the left leg all the way back. Come to your downward facing dog, pedal through the feet, and then lower the knees. Send the bum to the heels. Come back to a seat. So that's your pigeon pose. Great for the hips, the glutes. My personal favorite. I'll see you back here tomorrow.